What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Currently freaking like 10 o'clock at night. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I want to do some things on this car right here. Earlier I put on these hood struts, and in this video, guys, I want to throw some badges on this car. So I picked up some Toyota badges off of a GT86. I got them on eBay, I believe. Of course, I'm gonna have them linked down below, but where the freak are they? What is this? Oh, that's for the Evo. Badges. Oh, right here. I would totally keep it badgeless, but number one, I feel like this thing's kind of missing something on the front end. Gosh, this car looks so red on camera. I kind of need to adjust some more stuff in my PP or my white balance. But number one, it looks kind of naked. And number two, you can see there's holes. You see that right there? A little hole. And there's one there too, where the old badges sat on the front and the rear. So let's pull these badges out up here. There's two different sizes. There's a front and a rear. And yeah, I don't know which one goes where, but come on, get out of here. I think the front is a bigger one. Ooh, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look real good. I hope the front's the bigger one. So of course these holes or the little tabs on the back don't line up perfectly. Typical eBay stuff for you. And yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is actually break those tabs off. Pretty simple to do. Just pop them off with your fingers, and I gotta see how I want this thing lined up. I wish they really did fit. That'd be nice. Damn, that's gonna look good on there. I'm really happy with this. It's so cold out right now though. I'm gonna have to use a heat gun to get this thing to stick properly. But I'm just gonna peel the backing off, get it up on there how I think I want it, and let me know what you guys think. Don't hate me for putting Toyota badges on a Scion, guys. Actually, I'm curious about your opinion on that. Do you think I should not be doing this because it's not an actual GT86, or what? Okay, that looks pretty damn centered right there. How does that look on camera? Pretty sexy? Looks pretty good. It's not like I'm putting STI badges on a WRX or Evo badges on a Lancer. I'm just rebadging it Toyota because Scion badges are ugly. Toyota badges look pretty damn good. I think it's a little to the right. That looks pretty freaking good. I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that there, guys. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm asking you. You probably can't hear me, or you can't answer me. Oh, why does this thing look so freaking red? Hold up. I'm gonna go adjust the picture profiling real quick, some different colors, and try to get a proper color on this thing. I feel like that looks a lot better. I turned my reds down in my picture profile, so. Okay, that looks good there. Let's go ahead and get it on. I'm gonna grab a heat gun and kind of stick it on there. No bullshit, guys, it's like less than 40 degrees out right now. I'm also shooting in 4K, so for nighttime, hopefully it's looking pretty good. ISO's at 500. What do you guys think? How does it look? Pretty good? I like it. Let's get a whole front view. I think it looks really freaking good. I'm stoked with it. Close this nice little hood with my hood struts on there. Damn, looking fresh. Alright, I'm going to pull this thing forward and get that rear badge installed. It is quite a bit smaller, so if anyone else shoots with a Sony Alpha Series or A7, A7R, 7R2, any of those, let me know what you guys think of this footage. Is it looking fine, or I'm kind of new to this whole Sony world. This color is so hard to capture, even shooting raw photos, bring them into Lightroom and editing with this color. It's pretty difficult to work with, but I feel like that's looking pretty good. So let's pull this thing forward a little bit and get that rear badge on. Alright, I'll just drive you. This rear badge is gonna go on this carbon fiber piece right here. And hopefully these ones line up. That would be nice. Of course they don't. Of course. Well, I shouldn't expect. Watch me be putting these on upside down. That's I can't even think of how these go right now. But I guess I should expect them to fit properly because they are Toyota, not Scion. I'm gonna break these little tabs off on this one as well. Oh my gosh. My hands are getting frozen already. I've been only for 10 minutes max. Watch me be putting these on upside down. That would be freaking hilarious. I don't even know how to wash this car yet, guys. I have to do some research on that. Also, if anyone else owns a wrapped car, how do you wash these things? Regular wash? Like it's painted? Or is there some special soap you gotta use? That's what I'm curious about. Come on, get off here. This one you're not gonna be able to see as much on the front. The front was black on orange. This rear was black on carbon. But it still should look pretty damn good. I could just leave this rear one off, to be honest. I'm gonna measure this one because this is difficult. 9.75 straight out. Ooh, damn, I am good. I am good. Perfect first shot. Maybe not perfect. Shit. I think that main hole is where the center is. Oh, I'm talking to myself. Look good? Look good? Look good? Does it look good, guys? Good enough. I now have a GT86. Don't call this an FRS anymore, guys. This is officially a GT86 because it's got some sick Toyota badges on it. Next up is the Work VSXX center caps. Let's talk about those. So here's the box of center caps I have. These are the original ones, and then I picked up a set of ones online. I really like that more saturated, vibrant looking gold, and these are on sale, and I was like, hell yeah. Authentic VSXX caps for $40. These ones are going for like $100, so I was gonna be like, fuck yeah, I'm saving some money. And then I got them, and as you can tell, they are definitely not authentic caps, but I think I'm gonna use them anyway. I contacted the dude who sold them, and he said I could return them, but I don't feel like returning them. I'd rather just run them, but they don't fit. They fit inside the hole, but these tabs need to be bent out a little bit for them to work all the way. Let's see, how did I get them to go? They sit in there somewhere, or somehow. They kind of sit farther in there, like so. But what I'm gonna do with my rep wheels, those are reps, guys. I'm just kidding. What I'm gonna do with my rep caps, I'm just gonna use my heat gun, kind of bend these tabs out a little bit and get them to sit right inside those work wheels. I know I probably should just return these things and get authentic caps for these wheels, but they're so freaking expensive, guys. I don't know. It's not the same concept as like running fake wheels versus rep wheels. Or I mean fake wheels versus real wheels, which I don't have a problem with at all with fake wheels. I ran plenty in my life, but a car like this I feel like deserves some authentic wheels, but authentic caps too. I don't really freaking care. I don't really care. Don't hate me, guys, for running rep caps. So like I said, all I'm gonna do, grab my heat gun and heat up this plastic a little bit and just bend them out and try to get them to sit on this little lip here. Can't get it out. It's stuck in there. Need a little more. I don't know about these things, guys. I might have to just return them. I don't know if I can return them now, but I might have to just get an authentic set. Because I got it in there and it's like flopping around, but now I can't get it out. Gosh damn. Alright. There's a little screwdriver. My rep caps aren't working too good, unfortunately. I have to cop up some cash for some real ones. It's the same thing with my rays, guys. It's like I bought the freaking wheels I bought those wheels new. Surprisingly, I bought new wheels for like $2,200, and you don't get caps with them, and you gotta buy the caps separately for $150. All right, I'm gonna leave that in there for now because it's pissing me off. Actually, no, I need it to return it. I have to get this damn thing out. I don't want to scratch up my wheel though. All right, I'm gonna go send these back. Wow, what a boring video. I installed some freaking badges and I failed on this cap install. I guess this is why you don't buy rep stuff. No, I have no clue what these are for. I bet these would work on, what are those, ESRs that are VSXX reps. That's probably what these are made for, guys. So if you want to buy some rep wheels and buy some real caps or real looking caps, go on eBay. I don't condone this, but that's how you do it if you want to run real looking wheels. I mean, they look good, ain't gonna lie. I don't condone it though, guys. I'm just saying. Alright, what else could I do in this video? What else could I install on this thing or talk about? I don't really have anything else to put on this car. I have my radio installed. That's going to be a pretty freaking long video. And I have my Brom seats I got to install. And I got an exhaust right there. That came in. I got to install that. I have a diffuser I need to install. That's all way too long to include with this video. I think I want to talk about, maybe I'll talk about YouTube earnings in this video because I've been wanting to for a while. Or maybe I'll talk about the Evo. What should I talk about? Let's talk about the Evo. Okay. What's up with the Evo right now? It's kind of in a sad state after that carport incident. I gotta get all the scratches buffed out of it on the body and on the taillight. Roof wrap. I actually have roof wrap up there to redo the wrap on that roof. I had someone else do it a long time ago when I didn't know what I was doing with wrapping roofs, and it didn't turn out very good. So I am gonna peel it off and redo it myself. But what I'm gonna do with that car is I'm gonna pull a bunch of stuff off. I'm gonna give it a nice buff and wax and just detail the whole thing, and then I can rewrap the roof. I have some black emblem things that go on the bottom of the door or the bottom of the car I'm gonna put on. I don't know if I like them yet, but I'm gonna throw them on and ask you guys if you like them and see if I like them. Maybe I'll Photoshop it and throw a photo on the screen. And then I really want to get an APR wing for that. Guys, by the way, I didn't tell anyone. I haven't told anyone because I haven't gotten my wing yet, but APR did sponsor me for this car, and I'm also trying to get them to sponsor the Evo as well, so that'd be awesome. But they did sponsor this car, so they are building me an APR GTC 300 wing for this car and sending me a set of mirrors. They do not manufacture APR or the GTC 300 for this car. It's only like the 200, the smaller version, but I contacted them and told them I didn't want the smaller version, so they are custom building me a wing for this thing. It's insane. I cannot believe they're going out of their way to do that. They didn't have to do that. Definitely not. But they are. So I'm super thankful for that. What else for the Evo? Of course, I want to make it fast someday. That's always a plan. But that's just when I get some extra cash flowing around. Maybe some extra YouTube earnings come in. I don't really know. I need some extra money to do that though, guys. It's freaking expensive. Especially with this build going on. I can't keep dumping money into all my cars. Especially with this thing, this car's costing so much money. And other than that with the Evo, I don't really know. I might build a front splitter for it. Of course, I still want to do a diffuser on the rear. And that's about it, guys. If you have any suggestions on what I should do with the Evo, let me know in the comment section below. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video right here, though. My rep caps did not end up working out. Whatever. So if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner. I know it's pretty short. Maybe it's a boring video. Maybe it's entertaining. I don't know. If you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up button down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.